I'm saying Romeo Lavia and Asem like this. I mean, over the period. The worst part about Romeo Lavia, I mean, he would end up at Liverpool.
Yeah.
But the biggest problem is that Romeo Lavia and a possible transfer has caused a lot of trouble to the club.
Oh, okay.
This is the first time openly Liverpool manager Jurgen Klopp is going after the owners of the club. Nkobeya na nkoye behind the scenes, but utie ne kasemwa you could clearly see. Bisa and say obeying for the season or say he would find a technical solution for the Chelsea game, but after that they would have to replace and bring bodies. Now or your interview be on a podcast or kasa or say oh they will need more bodies. One can say more a body or say more bodies in the team. You know or the pressure air to almost so more amount I say and saying sporting directors BJJ Liverpool because I want to say nipa no more background do na JJ.
Yes.
Ubetimi statistical analysis no way players there 10. Na human scouting nipa na kwakwohwe omu training ni ade we wie de omu nyina ba o de ba na manager na ja tum say we no pe obekwa koma owners no mu say omu niska. Esa ebu obia ben because the ultimate scouting is to find the right players.
Now the omaba.
And no ya ade na Liverpool yet nobody did better recruitment in Europe than them in recent times. Sanu mani nyina jegu manager ne buafu. The manager is very, very angry. Very angry why the player is not even in for preseason and all that. No, especially when Liverpool found out say the difference between Omone Southampton was 6 million.
Yes.
What could Obi Ajenisika 40 million for Fabinho? What would Obi Ajen 12 million for Henderson? But would you say Obi in Juska? Now, another thing about this transfer they are not saying well. When they say, oh, why is Southampton is on pay 50 million? And you know, yes. Checks from both ends, Chelsea and Liverpool. Say, so when the Southampton dim come out, Omon can't say no moji. That's why the clubs are bidding like that. Liverpool are bidding 1, 2, 3. There would be a compromise eventually. Anything America said the player would end up at Liverpool. But the idea say, Omon try release clause we say 50 million and you know correct. And Southampton are also not telling anybody. Say they would want to extract as much as possible. The best example, Tino Livramento ni sale to Newcastle. It tells you say Southampton need ball because in the press it was written say Ubenya Tino Livramento at this look at 20 million pounds. Only for us to see say or call for 30 odd million pounds. Way above the price, but there is nothing they can do. Nemum, there are parallels between Tino Livramento and Romeo Lavia. Tino Livramento ni Chelsea will sell on clause.
Okay.
And Lavia no Manchester City will buyback clause which is activated next year. Manchester City bet Masako turn next year. And at the rate he is going, and Manchester City could sacrifice Calvin Phillips and go for him because we are homegrown.
Yes.
And it's really laid to bear the deficiencies in Liverpool's recruitment. There are dissenting voices led by Jurgen Klopp himself. He said, oh, to me, oh, team Nimpao. First, not Liverpool was sporting director. Oniobium, on one, I could find a down for a 3-month trial. Schmatke from Germany. On no cannot call retirement or Ibiza.
And our friend is
on Rakofanaba. So, Mebuano. Until a new man named Liverpool, yeah, extraordinary, you know. But one, and they are buying impulsively, which is problematic. But the owners have disappointed them big time. Because I feel maybe Rasam and Umniete said there is going to be a massive overhaul. But a massive overhaul, on 6 players, not 2. You could clearly see. Say no. They are not ready for the start of the season, Kwaku. They are not. Liverpool are 3 players short.
Well, then we get the ever expected score line.
No, I'm nyade. Nkofune nyade. Omo born nyade. Oh, please. Man, omo nyade. Last season 2 matches no one heavy.
Just in yard is
last
season
no, last season 2 matches now omo boy no. Listen, you na draw. Why?
Say last season
don't ball one for the crowd net time cry. Net time cry.
That's Chelsea need dey say no mo jo mo udi o.
E wo diem.
So mu nyawa. Sa kwada no.
Kwa mo no mo do mo boy.
Aye, Michael Jackson
Boss,
Jackson
boss, please.
Aye, Michael Jackson.
Boss, you see. Omunya.
There's also mama ni din friend super Michael Jackson.
Why?
Nicolas Jackson asem na make.
Wait no.
Super Jackson.
Masa ni abia ya mamu media grow. Masa, ye ni abro. Ye media grow chale.
Bishop.
Ye media grow chale.
Super Jackson.
Dia giant super there.
And Mudrik.
Oh, fine.
Bishop.
KKK any braba ya men yes. Amen come on pressure. Yes, start your mouth. Ye bobe 10 matches na se nko your ma be ko didi Pochettino atem. Omunya botre na.
Mudrik.
Na Mudrik born no se no nimbo.
Ejuma ya na.
Ejuma ben.
Be wa hwe biara.
To say pre-season na Liverpool for no left to be a friend Bendok. Who say akọ my duru ball 10 so na be.
Di bia boni di. Mudrik asem na.
Na be Liverpool players na de onimbo no mo boy ahwe.
Pre-season only.
Oh, masa men ko jijo ho ah masa. Mama enwe ho Mudrik be ai.
So mbehye mo.
Only any problem. Me kwa me ka last time mo share you.
We dem say Saturday there ai Sunday mu da ho.
Yeah.
Obesho house here.
Masa na any be ba ya da the asem na nke o dey.
Obasa akofa me ma so abegu akire.
Any ho amwa.
Look, I don't disasi.
Masa any be ba ya men ko yes anu.
Be na Chelsea obo come and say bia
because of here na the AC say Axel the AC about team num obey training no. Look, and he's not an exceptional footballer. And yes Chelsea artistica ko Thiago Silva already 28 years. So I say anna munya botrema nkra we mu bebo mbo Axel the AC no France on your nimba na.
O is a center backs in there.
On the nimbo. National team no boss eh.
Ade e omo ya pass nkuku apraka Mohamed Mopega.
Everybody nyame. Everybody. No dey na we me ya pa o. Said obetre for 2 months.
Nkuku.
Me ya pa.
Bishop ko ade nkuku di be ye bolo.
Ogunti obe second leg no.
Obe wa be ye le simple.
Nti entwe.
He said you have
Oh.
Yeah. Now be say you.
Make us almost say first few weeks we know.
said you have them.
Omuku scan na baby e kakora said you be.
Oh, football crash so there. But born a bra Charlie. I'm for anyway, it's interesting. Okay. So we are to change. Yambon komo. Open minded. And some make come major issue no so wadaroma.
Hey.
No substantive issue bia. Me pacho.
Otabo ya so.
Look.
Ele kaka major issue lo. Chelsea assemblala.
Chelsea attack no. Omo no. Why not best start to Liverpool team no?
Omo Moses. Omo Liverpool sisi.
No Liverpool attack no mo dey bobo. Aye. Say no ahun so team mo dey bobo Chelsea ni. Diaz. Jota. Salah. Why not best start Chelsea the other side?
Still the best at you.
Omo pena pamona ko Saudi Arabia. Omo ankasa. You see, more time. More time. They can actually win this Sunday game 3-0 because it's opening day and it's football. But omo nya there. Why are you people overhyping these potentials?
I heard they call major issue.
Don't go for your friend or more best prefer. Look, munya butre.
Job. Come in and you know so abiala wa pofava.
Nyame adoma na nkene no yebebo Champions League match between AEK Athens and Dinamo Zagreb. Athenia. Na match anka ye hwe ni mu se bibia be konkan UEFA ne mpanyimfo nyina no omatoto nyoma aye kama. Nanso nyame nsema efiri oba ne se ball we ni yemo ya suspended. Edi ntini ya suspended ball we send me ntokwesi na Dinamo Zagreb no mo ultras na from the bad blue boys BBB oma bedru na ball we yankasa na ye kan se hwe na obi a movie supporters ntimi free Croatia emma emehwe ball we bi edi nti na nkofu yetimi aba omo ba no so say na no mo fa so ba hwe
ye no mo ye
Greece no mo nam no police ehu omo Oma drive ya tima bedru Athens. Obi an come here. Because someone who Sanefa Montenegro, Albania. No era Greece. Obi an come here. No bedru ye no. E no mo call baby e fero say near Philadelphia. Ho no mo kokon ntokwa. Na ntokwa no mo kun ye no. Ntokwa hunu ye na omo bedru ye no oma hyase omo kun ntokwa omira why no omo kokan ne ho ne kun sa ntokwa no omo beduru ya no mo frɛ Panathinaikos fans no
Omumra no mo
yaba na momra na omo kyerɛ omo direction ni ya
special invite o Panathinaikos for so the AEK Athens Robert Tetemba
operation we so nipa 150 pen na be operation we o
150 pen
150 omo na no omo tika ni mo ba
ena obi abenya ni wo
no mo de abe ha adrian na dwona konto kwasa omo free ho no mo call stadium mo se nko mo ko wuram because Panathinaikos wana ka chom so mo timi wuram damu a omo nko hye toilet na anopa omo hye ntade so omo so ye janitors nti bedura nwumra no ma roro no ma ko wuram to mo de omo aduane ne ne omo nyina ba ene so omo de kodi sanse no mo duru ho no na omo hu si atoto stadium ni gate no na Panathinaikos so met mama mo fireworks so beto to abo gate na lock no na ma hwe se bitime bia amfa ene ntokwa o nti no around near Philadelphia stadium ho enim ho ena omodidi sanse mu no we o na omakwa ma ho nsem no hadwen omoko wie ye ntokwa ye ultras ya bo ntokwa o hwe nsem hunu se ahwe obi na akata na ni wabu se sram so ko bu obi epra no ena akopie mu se we nyina ekọ wie ye no ntokwa ye chi no Greece are buying the information about official figures nsamonefo dodo a yenya omo okromo omo aya kire omo ntuhwe mu a na je say nipa na ya kire omo ne de 82 no omo ye Croatia for ba ko ye Germany ni ba ko ye Albania ba ko ye Austrian na ba ko nso Bosnian uwi a ye Greece for na nkasa so 12 na ntokwa na wi ye Greece for na 5 da hospital na Croatia for na be operation so 3 e hospital na rewo seme wo mpa ne se abranti bia yesusu se wadi mfie aduonu nkono 29 mira ade awu ya wona se kan ama na wu na friend Michael ntene AEK Athens na omo di statement about bontin se nipa bonefo bi na abe kunu medra na abe meda kre na ombehwe se emra ne sankofo ne bedi na no pay uko AEK Athens omo ye they are mourning Michael. Now here are so candles and almost flags. No, they are in a mourning state this morning, and in fact, it's very, very painful. Your mom say football match now maybe. This is one of the things associated with football. Let's not lie. Nintia ya focus was anima we only say empese obi am catch say na before na ko bibini kofu area no mo difference na say more systems. But football or trust the blue bad boys blue bad boys no kweku omo ye political party omo pe independence of Yugoslavia ho no we mu na koka kire Croatia players ne den zvome boba no so mu ntiti amanfo in that match against Red Star Belgrade until the blue bad boys are in Athens nemum nyuma omo di no enkonkan emwa enye kra
semu yare ho pa
enye kra
kozo ko hwebo na
enye
le obi mu de omo no ntokwa keke lo bo
Michael no free Elfinas ewo Greece na onsan ko fie biem obekon nananom ho na ode amane akobo mo se IMF scanaba na e de interchange no ti ya ho nsem no
abozo